Hi. So years ago, a couple of years ago, I was trying to remove one of these light covers, and nobody had a video on how the heck you get the thing off, because there are these 3 clips and there's no explanation. Anyways, nobody had a video, so I thought, well, I'm going to try to figure it out, and I'm going to make a video how to remove these silly light things. Now at the time, the light wasn't even burned out. There were dead flies in it. I wanted to clean it out. So anyway, long story short, too late. I did a video, and then people were complaining that they couldn't see close enough because at the time I didn't have a tripod, and I was literally like balancing the camera on a bunch of boxes and books, and like that was as high as I could get it, and it still wasn't high enough to completely see. So then I did another video where my daughter shot the video on the floor, like looking at me doing it again. It's like I didn't want to do a third video on this. But now this light has burned out, so I have to remove this. I thought I might as well do a video because a lot of people watched it, because a lot of people have these lights. Like these are the builder's standard. This is what they put in. It's, I guess, the cheapest light you can get, and they're a pain. So yeah, so they have these 3 clips. Now 2 of them don't move. 2 of them are screwed in there, and when you try to move, like it won't budge. And then one of them will stretch a little bit, but not that much. So I'll show you close up of the thing stretching, and then I can show you, hopefully you're seeing this, how I take it off and replace the light. So I'll just show you here close up how this thing stretches. And I wear gloves, like I wear my garden gloves, because these things are sharp and they're hard to pull. So yeah, this isn't really showing very well, but yeah, you just pull on it and it stretches, and then you get the thing out. But I'll put the camera back and show you. So yeah, okay, so this one stretches, so you pull on that until you get it beyond where the glass thing is, and then you carefully slide that out. I'm going to clean this out too, because there's a dead bug in here too. And then replace these. Now these were great bulbs. These have lasted like 8 years, and I haven't had to replace them, so that's pretty darn good. I don't have any more of these energy efficient bulbs. Unfortunately, I just have regular ones, but yeah, so I'm just going to replace the bulbs. They're 60 watts, okay. So I'll do that too, and I'll clean this out. So yeah, turn the lights on to make sure that they work, the bulbs work, before you go to the trouble putting this thing back on, because it's kind of a pain. To clean this out, I just used a dry paper towel. I don't recommend using cleaners because it's frosted glass. If yours is like mine, it might remove the frosting, I don't know. So I just used a dry paper towel, or I think you use a bit of water, but don't use any cleaners, I wouldn't. So, okay, so now to get this puppy back on, it's also a pain. So you kind of slide it in the 2 things, and then that last one you have to stretch it again to get the glass in. So you just stretch with all your might. This one actually wasn't as bad. Like the one in my bedroom, I had to yank and it was sharp, and the first time I did it I had bare hands and it was really bad. So yeah, use gloves, and maybe you'll get lucky this one wasn't as hard as the other one to do. But yeah, so that's how you change the lights in one of these things. So I didn't want to make a 3rd video on this, but considering I had to change the light anyway, I was like, I might as well, because a lot of people have these lights and they don't know what to do, and nobody tells you. So there you go, I'm telling you. Take care. Bye.